Greetings. If you like these daily crypto analysis videos, hit the like button and subscribe. I'm Crypto Snake, back again to discuss some Bitcoin analysis. We're going to start the stream out today on the 4-hour chart. So there's a couple things I want to address here, mainly the Ichimoku cloud system. On the 4-hour cloud here, we did break into the 4-hour cloud. I did give this alert to my free VIPs that if it was to break through into this 4-hour cloud, it would give a decent pump. As far as that goes, we have the parabolic SAR here uptrending. So on the 4-hour, this is still bullish. The Chiku span is hitting a bit of resistance at 6,577, which is not unexpected. I do believe that as a bullish sentiment right now, on the 4-hour chart, we're likely to get up to about 6,750 or so. From there, I'm not quite sure exactly where we're going to go. If we break down, we are going to continue the downward trend down to the 5,500, 5,800 area. As we did bounce off of this support here, we did have a bit of an uptrend here. So what caused this uptrend here? We actually had a short squeeze here as shorts were getting very high on Bitcoin. So obviously there's a bit of a downtrend here. How long that's going to go, not exactly sure. But what I do believe is going to happen is we are likely going to come up here, hit this resistance area at 6,750, as the RSI level is pretty concerning right now. On the 4-hour, the RSI is sitting at about 61 out of 70. Hitting up at 70 would place us just around this resistance here at 6,750. And the other reason that I pick out 6,750 here is if we switch back to the one-day cloud here. As you can see here on the one-day cloud, 6770, 6750, give or take around that range, is also resistance at the bottom of the one-day cloud, and it's absolutely flat, which means heavy resistance here. We are moving up through the Kijun-sen here, which provides even more resistance. So unless this Kijun-sen starts moving upwards, I'm not sure how far this is going to go. I did lay out in one of my previous streams that it was possible that we could come up and test this position before bouncing back down. I'm still leaning towards that being a possibility here. We'll just have to kind of wait and see, but on a bullish sentiment here, we do have the parabolic SAR on the 1-day finally giving a little bit of an uptick here. Moving back to the 4-hour chart here, if you can see here, we do have a TK crossover, which is very bullish. Going down to the 1-hour here, we did cross somewhere around the bottomed out area around here, moving upwards. And on the 3-hour chart here, we are about to break this cloud at 6583. I wouldn't expect a major pump out of that just yet, not until this Chiku span breaks up at 6830, which, as I laid out in the 4-hour chart here, is not likely to happen. So more than likely what's going to happen is we're going to come up here, we're going to break down following the RSI all the way down, and we'll likely see some RSI support here on the support line at 60. If we break into this channel here at 49, I would see that basically being the bottom of the 4-hour cloud here. And if we do break down outside of that 4-hour cloud, we are definitely going for a big dip here. As you can see, the last time we broke this 4-hour cloud produced this giant pump up here, but the amount of resistance here is a lot heavier than when we broke this position here. So overall, I do believe this is a temporary pump. If you want to take advantage of it, I recommend keeping a stop loss just in case we do break down around the 6750 area. That being said, if you would like to join our free Telegram for insights on the market, including Bitcoin and a sneak peek to my personal entries and exits, join t.me/cryptosnakepit. Links are in the description below. As I said, in that free group, I did give a call for Bitcoin to pump from the 4-hour here, moving up, so I will be giving up-to-the-minute updates if you would like to take swing positions on them. Also, in our VIP group, we have been making some savage gains throughout this bear trend, pulling 10% profits on my ADA call and 20% on WON. If you want information on how to get into the VIP group, the information is in the description below. So let's take a look at the overall Bitcoin market cap here. So it's at 213 billion. We went up from about 195 billion yesterday, which is very bullish. That's good. Bitcoin dominance got to a peak of 54.4% yesterday before dropping down, spiking down to about 53%. This minor dip in Bitcoin dominance actually caused a really lucrative pump for the altcoin market yesterday. 14, 20%. Some of these coins getting up nano 41%. which brought a lot of hope back into the market. As I said, my VIP group got to take advantage of some of these savage gains. I called out a couple of swing positions when I saw this pump coming. But if we go ahead and refresh here and look at the altcoin market today, you can see we're still, it's kind of mixed on the red and green here. I do believe if Bitcoin breaks down from that 4-hour position, the altcoin market is going to bleed again. So relatively a short-term swing trade positions on the altcoin market before tethering. So I'll likely be taking profit on my altcoin positions once I see it getting a little bit closer to the 6750 area, just in case it does break down. If it does go bullish, that would pretty much confirm that we're back into a bull trend here, which I do not think is likely. It's possible, but I don't think it's likely. I think the more likely approach is that we are going to break down and continue side trending and or break down to 5500, 5800 area first. Before I wrap this video up, good luck on your trades today. Be safe, use stop losses, just in case Bitcoin does break down today. Please join me in my free Telegram group at t.me/cryptosnakepit, where I give up to the minute updates on Bitcoin and my personal exits and entries on the market for the private VIP group. This is Crypto Snake, signing off.